Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is CHICHI, and in this tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this beautiful, lovely dress. So to start with, we actually made part 1 of this video. This is actually part 2. In part 1, it was a pattern tutorial, and this is the sewing tutorial. So we're going to start with cutting our pattern pieces, the pattern pieces that we made from our previous video. If you haven't seen it already, please. So the pattern pieces will now look like this after you've cut the front part, the back part, the skirt, and I'll show you how everything is going to come out after we cut the lining. So let's just do our, these are actually the main pieces. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. I was so confused. I didn't know which one I was going to use at this point. But, wow, I love that. I love this. I love everything, actually. Ironing is like the most important thing when sewing garments. You need to iron. Invest in a good pressing iron. It could be thrifted pressing iron. As long as it's good, you just have to invest in a pressing iron, because you can't do without it. Look at how good that top looks. It's not even done yet, but you're able to tell that this is going to be a very beautiful dress. Just looking at how well made it is. So iron. Okay? Yeah. That's my advice. My number one advice of making a good garment. What is it that you need? You need a good pressing iron. Yep. So check out. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Yep. So you can sew along now the top. Sew. And after that, you need to notch it so that you can turn it around. And later you can put a top stitch. Be careful when you're notching the fabric, because I'll tell you something. Something happened. Actually went over the thread, so I had to redo it again. I over notched. If there's a word like that, that's what happened. Please don't over notch. what I usually do is sew and iron on certain areas. I want you to see the difference when the dart is actually ironed and when it's not. Look at that. Look at that. So the people that actually sew without pressing irons, what are you guys doing? Don't do that, please. You need to iron. So I sewed the dart, I ironed it, and it looks pretty good. If I say so myself, yeah. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment down. Point I had to retake the measurements because we're almost done. So just to be sure, after putting the darts, attaching the top part to the down part, we have to now remeasure our work so we can attach the front to the back part. And I'll show you my favorite part, like the most exciting thing that I enjoy doing is when I mark the side of the front, one side of the front part, and transferring it to the other side, like just hitting on the table. That's my favorite thing to do. It's weird, but yeah, I just like bam, 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 bam. That's my favorite thing to do. You are going to see it. And we have two circles. The small circle I had only cut one, and the bigger circle I cut two. So that was like for the front and the back. Then the small one only went on the front side. We did not use it on the back. Yeah, just as you can see there, we only used one in the front, and for the back part we had two circle skirts. We are done, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, share it on Facebook, share it on all the platforms. Bye. Stay tuned.